Hello again and welcome to another one of our how-to guides. I'm going to do a very simple romantic Valentine's Day double rose bud vase arrangement. Really simple to create. It's got one stem of neem fern, two freedom red roses, don't have to be freedom, you can use whatever colour you want, 6 stems of bear grass and some red raffia. So first of all, I'm going to join the 6 pieces of bear grass together, and you want 3 pieces on top of each other going one way, and then 3 pieces on top of each other going the other way, and then you basically tie those together. Using the best tool that a florist has, that's her teeth. So bring your 2 roses together, place the piece of neem fern behind, just arrange them in your hand so that they look aesthetically pleasing, and then with the bear grass pointing away from you, tie that together with all of your flowers and your foliage, nice and securely. Leave the stems free, and then bring 3 stems of the bear grass nice and smoothly in one direction, and just tuck it slightly behind the first rose, and then the other 3 in the other direction. So you're creating a heart. And then with those last pieces of raffia that you've left loosely, just tie that together. Then just offer it up to the vase, so where you want it to sit. Cut the stems so they fit in the vase quite happily. And just to finish with, I'm going to make a little raffia bow. So that's really quite simple. Bring a few stems of raffia together in your hand, so keep one end of them all even, and then you just literally make a figure 8, keeping it nice and smooth. Until you've used all the raffia up, and scrunch it in the middle, and tie the middle part with that spare piece of raffia. Again, using the good old teeth. And just check you're happy with the look of it. So any sort of scruffy bits that you think don't make it look particularly neat, just trim those off. And then you have a little raffia bow just to finish your arrangement off with. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our little Valentine rose bud vase arrangement. Obviously you could make that with gerberas or any other variety of flower that's just single headed. Would have the same kind of effect It might be that not everybody loves roses, so maybe use something that the recipient really loves. Hopefully it's inspired you. Do join us for another one of our how-to guides in another few days. Thank you and see you soon.